Okay. Hey y'all. It's Jam, and today I'm here with
Freedom.
Darshan. And these are my sisters. They're not my only sisters. I have another sister, and she's not here, but she's a boss, so she'll be in another one of my videos. Today we're gonna be doing like a sister challenge, sister tags sort of thing. So we just have some questions that we're going to be asking each other. And then if you get the question wrong, you get some whipped cream to your face. So, I don't think I'm going to get any whipped cream to my face because honestly, I'm just that good. But you know. Anyways, who wants to go first? Freedom, you want to go first?
No. Wait, why can't we go this way?
First question. What is my favorite number?
11.
11? No, I was gonna say no, because I was gonna say 9, but then I was like, no, 11, because that was the day, actual day. Because 9/11. See, I'm not that.
Okay.
That's her birthday, by the way, y'all. We're not like.
Yeah. That was correct.
My turn. What is my favorite color?
Oh my god.
This is literally so easy.
Wait.
Well, I can just take it because no, I don't know.
It's either red or black.
I was finna say red, but no.
I'm going red.
So both of you guys got it wrong. My favorite color is matte black. Turn your phone off, Freedom. Or turn your phone on silent. So why'd you get it wrong?
Wait,
So
what?
Freedom, what did you say?
She said red.
What was the color?
And both.
Matte black.
So Jamilah, we both got it wrong. So who getting the pie in the face? Not both of y'all. Nuh-uh.
Yeah, because both of y'all got it wrong.
But when we just established this, we was like, okay, since both of y'all going, whoever gets it wrong get the pie in the face.
But both of y'all got it wrong.
Yeah. No, like one of us got it wrong.
Don't try to escape. Don't try to. Ooh, we're going fast.
That's too much. That
is
is too much. Ooh, don't smack it. No.
Okay.
Do Freedom first. Cause
No!
you ain't got no hair. Just do Freedom first.
No hair.
Yeah, she ain't got no hair.
Girl, but I got some beads out.
You see how easy you just put them behind your ear.
Okay, what about these hairs?
Okay, you ready?
No, don't slap me, please, cause you be putting people hard.
Move your hands, sweetie. 5, 4.
I feel like I was drowning. What the world? It's I want to eat that. You just
Too much, cause you got it. Don't aim for like my eyes. Can I do like this or do
No.
Bruh, that was weak. I'm not gonna do that to none of y'all. What is my favorite food that I can eat almost every day?
Mac and cheese.
Fried chicken? Chicken?
It's chicken.
Damn.
Okay.
You wouldn't eat mac and cheese every day if you did?
That go with the chicken. And I don't even got half as much as you had. You better be looking my hands this time.
What's it to that? I need a napkin. What is my favorite type of ice cream?
Oh, I know. Coalition.
Neapolitan. The one with the strawberry and the chocolate and the vanilla.
Y'all
Decipher
sure?
it.
Because this is a hard question. Because I might have changed it.
What?
No.
Darshan, that is not fair. How
Because we
gotta
gotta know it.
Because last time we took that quiz, you said Neapolitan on the quiz.
Okay, then I gotta do another question then.
Or no, we got it right. My turn.
No.
Who's my number one celebrity crush?
Steve Lacey.
Dang, what's his name? Quincy Jones. Oh, no. I lied.
Is that
No.
your answer?
No.
Is Freedom, what's your answer?
Steve Lacey.
That's your answer.
You know who it could be though? Could be Michael Jackson though. That's a celebrity husband, but crush? Quincy.
You know who's...
Quincy.
You know what?
Quincy.
Freedom, I'm sorry.
Oh my freaking god.
Quincy.
Okay, well how you gonna have a man on your home screen looking all creepy if that's not who it is?
Look, I love Steve. I love him so much, but Quincy is the
Okay, but why
finest
ain't
dude
he on
I've
your
ever seen in my
lock
life. Look, actually,
Why
Quincy
you-
has been
What?
on my lock screen before.
You don't never say nothing like that to me.
You remember Freedom? We have talked about it. You remember when we was showing you Quincy and we was like, Freedom, he fine.
For me, fine. You say everybody fine.
No.
Well, you did that on purpose, but I can keep this low key kind of fun. Who is my best friend?
Tariana.
The light skinned girl with the buns. I don't know.
I need names.
I don't know her name.
Miranda. I'm gonna give you everybody Miranda, Tariana.
I know
Jordan.
remember. I know Miranda. I know Jordan.
There was nobody else with no buns. Tariana didn't have no buns.
Yes, she did.
No, she had a ponytail.
She had a bun. Well, whoever the light skinned little girl.
Miranda had buns.
And she
You
was
talking
tall.
about Miranda not light skinned though.
No, I'm not talking about Miranda.
But nobody else had buns.
Well, then Tariana then because.
Okay, well that's.
Well,
not
you
who
gotta show
said.
me a picture then. Cause how am I supposed to know your best friend's names like that?
Cause she
It's only
talk
one.
about her all the time.
She don't talk about her friends like that. All the
Yes,
time.
she does. Especially
just
on
don't
her
listen.
Instagram.
You just don't listen.
No.
Is it recording right now?
Yeah. Oh my god. Okay.
The big brother of the three right here.
Tariana is not light skinned.
Jamilah, she is not the exact same color as Freedom.
She isn't.
Hit me in the face. Hit me in the face. Come on. I got
Look,
all
I'm
these
trying to
little
be nice.
girls. Come on.
There
Why?
you go.
Why? Freedom?
At least I didn't slap you.
I told you to hit me. I didn't tell you to smear it on my face.
Well, I mean,
wanted her.
I said hit me. Hit me. I said hit me.
I was trying to be nice because you was already frustrated over that.
That's crazy. Yeah. Hit me.
What extracurricular activity would I be in if I was in public high school?
Band.
Yeah, it is banned. Because you be watching the video, singing and stuff.
So that's your choice?
Yeah.
That's your choice?
You got to make
Girl, we know. You watch it all the time. Easiest one. This is y'all's freebie. Who's my favorite YouTuber?
Bethany Motor.
Oh, my. Is it Lissette?
Bethany Motor made her start doing YouTube. That's why I would say
Okay,
Bethany
but I don't
Motor.
even know who Bethany Moto is, so.
I don't know. I'll go Bethany Motor.
Okay, so Darshan, I had this conversation with you, and I said
How did I
it
know?
used to be.
I don't know. I don't know.
I told you.
I don't know.
When she stopped posting so often that Lissette became my favorite. Like, Bethany is still like my like icon or whatever. Not icon, but you know what I mean. But my favorite YouTuber is Lissette.
Hit me.
I need some to go in my earring.
I can't breathe.
Who is the sibling that I relate to the most? Talking about out of three, y'all.
Oh,
Oh,
me.
Jamilah.
Okay.
What new hobby do I want to start?
Let me quit acting like I know.
I
'Cause I know
was
you
picking
do.
for a watch a movie, and I was like, hey, I want to start doing this. Showed you and I showed you, but y'all didn't want to watch the dang movie.
Okay, so how was we supposed to know if we
Because I
didn't watch
showed y'all the movie. I showed
I thought
y'all
you
the
said
trailer
we
to the
didn't wanna
movie. I
watch
was like, hey, I want to do this.
Oh, that
Dancing?
dance, that little, the ballroom dancing. She want to somebody.
Okay.
What is my graduating class for college?
How many years do you do in college?
4.
Then it's 2024. No, actually, it's later than that because coronavirus.
No.
2024, 2025. If it's getting held back.
That's what I'm saying.
Like your
coronavirus.
graduation?
It depends because we don't know.
What's the one I'm supposed to be?
2024.
Okay, dang, that's all I had to say.
Oh,
Go, Freedom.
Ha.
Yeah, Jamilah ain't like that.
Who was my first friend?
Miranda.
I can't possibly know that.
Yes, you could. You
I
really could,
cannot.
though.
Your
It's
first
Miranda.
friend?
It's Miranda.
Well,
You had friends
Right.
before head.
your
No,
first friend?
Miranda, she knew like her whole life.
I didn't know that. I didn't know Miranda till your dang sleepover. And she's not even your best friend. Talk about who my first friend. She not your best
Not
friend.
even your best friend.
Just because she don't, that don't mean she my best friend just because she was my first friend.
Freedom, you don't got the right to hit me with that. You gotta give me another question. What was my favorite hobby?
Painting.
That you do right now.
Yes,
Painting.
You have a hobby.
I have a hobby.
Girl, you don't talk about it.
What do I do?
You
What do
call
I do?
me.
I was a little girl.
Girl, I was
A hobby.
talking because I really just don't know.
Literally, I started a YouTube channel just so I can be one.
Cooking?
Yes. I used to watch Yolanda Gamp.
Okay, that don't mean nothing. I do too.
Okay.
If I got $1 million, would I rather spend it on a house? Like I had to spend it all on a house. or spend it all on travel expenses.
A house.
It's a house. No, it's not.
You already said your answer. It's a house, Freedom. That's what you said.
But I said travel
Jamila,
at first.
Pie them both.
No, Javard, get
It's
out
a
of this
house.
video. It's a house.
You in the face.
Come over here. Come on, come here.
Yes,
Since you want to talk so much just to be in it.
Yeah.
Hey, man, come on.
I wasn't even doing it that much.
No, you can't complain
Close your
because I got
eyes.
hit with a plate.
Jamila got in the face too.
Once you get trying to slap me all hard.
Give him a napkin. Here.
That's not right. Good.
Get your eye.
Actually tastes quite good. Look at that.
You look stupid.
Shut up.
What did I want to do when I get to high school? Like, what did I want to do?
Either basketball
Like
or
sports?
cheerleading.
Yeah, like kind of wise.
Basketball or
Cheerleading,
cheerleading.
majorette.
She can't do major
track.
with it.
I said I kind of want to play basketball, but I ain't said that I want to do it.
Oh, friend, people need to put a different question.
Girl,
Just
no.
hit me then.
Oh, you know, listen.
So don't just. Okay.
When I get hit with the plate, nobody was worried about that. But okay.
Because you can't get hurt hitting with a plate.
You ready?
On my head? Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah, you hit me pretty hard, friend. I think I got that. Okay.
If y'all enjoyed that video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And comment down below what that video y'all want to see from me. If y'all want more of these hooligans in my videos, then just, give me some feedback. See you guys in the next video.
Or not.
Don't mind me, y'all, if I'm loud. That's just who I am.
Please respect who I am.